Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. I'm that girl with the bow tie, and this is the first episode of Cosplay Closet. So, what Cosplay Closet is. Give me a minute. I've only had like 2 sips of coffee. Okay, basically for the Closet series, I'm going to be cosplaying characters from various sources of media like movies, TV shows, video games, and I'm going to be using whatever I have already in my closet. I'm not going to be buying anything new. I'm not going to really make anything new. And this is just something fun, and maybe you guys can also get some ideas for if you don't have enough money to create a certain cosplay, but you still want to dress up for a convention. Maybe this could help you out too, but this is mostly for fun, so let's get started. Okay, so you may have noticed the outfit change and you're like, what character is this? This is not a character outfit yet. I'm going to be starting each video with a makeup tutorial. So let's see. I've got lots of makeup over here, but of course, kind of need that for makeup vid. Give me a moment. I messed up. Okay, a little bit more about the Cosplay Closet series. Each video is going to have 6 or 7 outfits based around a theme with different characters. And this week's theme is video game characters. Now, whether or not I'm going to wear each outfit all day is a mystery because due to the pandemic, a lot of us are going to be staying inside. I'm going to be staying inside because I do have relatives that I don't want to get sick. So, yeah, whether or not I'm going to wear each outfit all day is really based on how comfortable it is. So, I'm starting off this week as Chloe Price from Life is Strange. If you haven't played that game and you like just stuff with little stories, not too many um, complicated fighting things, something a bit more on the mellow side, but with a bit of mystery, Life is Strange is a good game. Uh, so I'm gonna get started putting on stuff. Oh, one more thing. I don't use makeup the way you're supposed to. So sometimes I'll use blush as eyeshadow or eyeshadow as blush. I'm weird. I'm a weirdo. But life is short. So anyways, uh, in the gl yeah, in the gleam, in the game, Life is Strange. Chloe is a side character, but she's the best friend of the main character. She's very tragic. Actually, everybody in the story's tragic. She's got quite a rebellious side to her, which is pretty awesome. I think everybody needs that, but not quite to the extent that I've got the camera here and a mirror here, so I'm going to be switching back and forth. But what I'm putting on right now as the base layer, I'm putting on a lot of it. I gotta cover up my freckles because she doesn't have any freckles. What I'm putting on right now is Covergirl Trublend. Okay, watch this. I'm gonna do that thing that every other YouTuber does. Can you see that? Okay, let's see. I've also got her photo up on the screen. Let's see. Let's see. I'm going to do that again. Oh, this already has a little brush in it. This was actually my mom's, and she's like, "You can have it." It's like, okay, here I am, not using makeup the right way, because I just can't. So anyways, maybe I should talk more about the game or about the character, because if you haven't played the game yet, I don't want to spoil it for anyone, or maybe video game spoilers don't really impact as much as movie spoilers. I don't know. It never really has for me. So let's see. So I guess if you don't want any spoilers, you can just turn the sound off. But here I go. I haven't played the game in a few years, but pretty much what it is this very shy photographer comes home to this tiny little town, and through a course of events, she discovers that she can travel through time. And the main character is, her name is Max, and Chloe is her best friend. And one of the first times Max time travels is to save Chloe from being killed by, well, an a-hole dude who brought a gun to school because he thinks he's so cool and in charge, and just, I just don't like people like that. Actually, who likes people like that? Nobody. But so this is a really weird photo of Chloe. I'm trying to base my look off of. It's very difficult to. These two decide to use their powers to look for a girl that's been missing. And the game is just full of clues and other twists and turns, and it stays interesting. The entire time, it stays interesting. Even if you're just standing around in the game, the graphics are phenomenal. The backgrounds. Oh, and another thing, you can do so much in this game. You can click on just about every object. You're like, do I want to water this plant? Do I want to pick up this paper clip? Do I want to say hi to this person? Hi, random person. I'm rambling now. I'm probably gonna have at least one person in the comments going like, "You're a fake gamer girl. You like this game? It's not a real video game," or something like that. I don't know. But let's see. Oh, they're still not. You can still see them. Much better, much better. She's wild. Like, she will say what she wants, do what she wants, but uh not, it's also not very good because it gets her into trouble quite a bit. She's got tragic backstory, tragic ending. She's tragic all around. She can't hide from tragedy. That's the word of the day, ladies and gentlemen. Tragedy. So, let's see. Do I want to do my lips first or my eyes first? I think I'm gonna, let's see. Actually, wait a second. Should probably put on eyeshadow first. It's been months since I've worn any makeup. Usually, I like to have like an excuse or something to wear it, like, oh, I'm going outside the house, which I rarely do. Eyeshadow brush. Thank you, Max Studio, for labeling this brush for me, because otherwise I would not have known what to do with it. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. Let's see. She's got a lot of pink and browns, and like she's got some black eyeliner right here. So I am pretty sure that this character is wearing makeup that isn't her natural look. So this is making me feel better. Yeah. Yeah, you see pink and pink. More of this. Hmm. Okay. This is the first time I have ever made a makeup tutorial. Can you tell? Oh, oh. Alright, we're getting smoky. Not bad. I think one of the reasons why I'm messing up so much is I'm so used to being able to just get really creepy up close to the mirror and just do my makeup that way and take my time, but I'm having to rush and stuff. I'm like, you don't have to rush, girl. Yeah, don't do your makeup like me. This is just for laughs. Actually, I'm gonna go back. And she's got like a little bit of brown or redness right underneath her eyes. There we go. There we go. I'm starting to see you, Chloe. Oh, another thing interesting about the games is there are little things scattered all around that tell you about the characters. The main character, Max, one of the shirts she wears is a Jane Doe shirt. And in some of the visions that she has, there is a doe. And if you don't know, a Jane Doe Jane Doe is a name that is given to a unidentified female corpse. So in a way, in the series, Max is still trying to figure out who she is. And at the same time, she's looking for a missing girl. So it could be a metaphor for both those things. Okay, now I am. Oh, wait a second. I can't put on my lipstick. Gotta put on my mascara. Um, where was I? Oh, yeah. And for Chloe's character, her little clue is her last name is Price. And just about every person in her family has paid a price of some sort. Uh, her dad died in a car crash of some sort. My camera is so screwed up. First chance I get, I need to get that fixed. Her lips are shiny. Wonder if she's wearing lip gloss. I just realized that for the past 10 minutes I've been talking and the camera hasn't been running. I don't want to take off all this makeup and have to do it again and then just chatter about nothing. Chloe Price, not the main character, but a tragic character. Okay, so I got pretty close to this character. I've got that spiky necklace similar to what she has, and I didn't have a beanie hat, so this would have to do. Oh, remember what I said about her being a tragic character? The only tank top I have with a skull on it says, "My life is better than your vacation." So, I don't think her life is better than anyone's vacation, but it is definitely an adventure. I know you can't see my boots, so here are my brown boots, just like she's got. I don't have her sizing, but I forgot what's called, so I just use a belt.